Welcome to our comprehensive guide on marking items as shipped on Depop. Let's dive into the shipping process, making it easy for you and your buyers. Here's how to mark your items as shipped step by step. Start by navigating to your sold items list on the app. To access your sold items, simply tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner and then select Sold. Next, it's time to prepare your shipping label. You'll find the option in the sold items list and make sure you have your packaging ready. After you've shipped your item, don't forget to enter the tracking information on the app to keep your buyers updated. Sometimes, you might face issues while marking items as shipped. Let's address some common problems and how to solve them. Notifications are key. Buyers will receive updates when the item is shipped, providing reassurance and improving their experience. To maintain good seller ratings, communicate effectively with your buyers and ship your items as soon as possible. To recap, remember to mark your items as shipped promptly, provide tracking, and engage with your buyers positively. Finally, don't forget to stay updated on any changes in shipping policies. Happy selling on Depop!